Okay, so this is just an example of they will also be used to to um, to attack each other, other pretenders to the throne, right? So Jambi is always trying to, really like Game of Thrones, right? They want to be like the Maharaja, the great Sultan. So there were attempts by smaller princes to try to take over Johor. So of course, the Orang Laut, as part of Johor Empire's navy, would stop it. Even the Dutch in Batavia were friendly to the Orang Laut in this region because they knew they couldn't conduct trade without the Orang Laut's help. And the Dutch in Malacca were actually quite upset with Batavia's friendliness to the Orang Laut here. They actually asked Batavia to kind of attack the Orang Laut here, but Batavia wasn't going to do that. It would have affected their trade. I've put the slides up in the folder also, so later on you can just visit it as and when you want. So because of this lack of support by Dutch Batavia, who were more friendly to the local Orang Laut, we all know that Dutch Malacca was a financial disaster. They didn't really have maritime control in this region. It was really Johor that still controlled trade. And